Cockles are delicious and we love it. However, washing and cleaning need extra effort. Today, I am sharing my method of washing the cockles before consuming. Washing cockles must be done thoroughly, as there is a lot of mud and sand inside out of the cockles. I have 1 kilogram of cockles. They are quite big in size. They are very fresh. Some tools are needed when washing cockles. So I have an old wooden spatula here. Anything that can stir the hard rock cockle shell can be used. Avoid using bare hand as they can get hurt easily. This is the brush that I bought and kept specially for washing and scrubbing the food items like cockles, crabs, pumpkin, or others, and 1 tablespoon of salt. Fresh cockles tend to open their shell a little bit if left in the open for a while. Look at that. If touched, they will close the shell immediately. Let's wash it. Put all the cockles in the large basin. Use the wooden spatula to stir and keep stirring for 2 minutes. Avoid using bare hand for this as the cockle shells are quite sharp. This is to wash away the mud and dirt that are stuck in the shell of the cockles. Alright, after 2 minutes, throw away the water. Refill the basin with water for the second wash. The water in the basin is clear now. Next, use the brush to scrub the cockles all over to deep clean the cockle shell. Keep brushing and scrubbing for about 2 minutes. See, the water is muddy again. Throw away the muddy water. Refill the basin with water again. The cockles are slightly clean now. They look whiter compared to just now, before the wash. Repeat the deep cleaning by using the brush one more time for about 2 minutes. This is to ensure there is no more mud on the cockle shell. We want to get rid of all the mud as cockles grow in a very dirty area of the ocean. And we want to avoid accidentally consuming this dirty mud. Not one speck of the sand should be in the food. If you want them to be super clean and white, use the brush to scrub it one by one like this. But I think it is not necessary to do that. I will just leave it as for now, as most cockles look really clean. Give it a last rinse. Fill the basin with water again and ensure that all cockles are submerged under the water. Put in all the salt. Give it a couple of stir to dissolve the salt. This will make the cockles spit out the mud and sand stuck inside the shell. So we are going to leave it aside for 3 to 4 hours without disturbance. After 3.5 hours, let's check on the cockles. See, they have released a lot of mud and the water looks muddy. Soaking them with salt results in the cockles releasing mud and sand out of their shells. So I am going to give it a rinse one more time. Fill the basin with water. Put in all of the cockles. Give it a stir for about 20 seconds. Now you can see the cockles are clean. Throw away all of the water. Give it a rinse one last time. Remove the cockles from the water. Now the cockles are very clean and ready to cook. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.